used to be afraid of my stairs. I was living in half my house. Not anymore, now that I've got my ACORN Stairlift.
My arthritis made it difficult to use my stairs. Then I called ACORN and got my stairlift installed the next day.
That's right. You can get an ACORN Stairlift in as little as 24 hours because with ACORN, there's no middleman. Whether your stairs are straight, L-shaped, multiple flights, even outdoors, ACORN Stairlifts is your solution. ACORN's advanced modular design could have you gliding up in as little as 24 hours. And in most cases, ACORN Stairlift's delivery and installation takes less than 2 hours.
Many of my patients have difficulty negotiating their stairs. I always recommend an ACORN Stairlift so they can stay in their own home.
We thought we were going to have to sell our house. Instead, we got an ACORN Stairlift.
Join over 100,000 homeowners just like you who've become part of the ACORN Stairlifts family, the world leader in manufacturing stairlifts.
I was worried about my dad falling up and down those stairs. I called ACORN Stairlifts. It was the best decision we ever made. I only wish we had called sooner.
If you're one of those people who struggles on the stairs or who can't use your stairs anymore, call ACORN Stairlifts right now. You'll be glad you did.
Call right now to get your free ACORN Stairlifts DVD and information kit rushed to you. There's absolutely no obligation. Remember, with ACORN Stairlifts fast installation, you could have an ACORN Stairlift in your home in as little as 24 hours. Get your upstairs back and call ACORN Stairlifts now.